Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Matt with MH Motors, Must Have Motors, here again today for another unboxing of this Lamborghini Sian FKP37. This Lamborghini Sian is a mid-engine hybrid Lamborghini, the first ever hybrid production for the Lamborghini brand. It was unveiled last year in 2019 for the real car, and finally Maisto has brought out the 1/18 scales of this edition. So today we are going to get this unboxed. We'll do a quick look over, and then upcoming I will do a more in-depth review of this scale model, and we'll go from there. So here we go. One thing I want to add real quick, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, as well as that bell notification, so you can stay up to date on all my future unboxing videos, review videos, and automotive feature videos for this channel. So here we go, and let's get this unboxed.
Let's go!
All right, here we go. So I will have to say, this is one of the most detailed Maisto branded diecast cars that I have seen to date. Maisto is certainly stepping up their game. Maisto and Barago, both under the same parent company, you will get the same car, more or less. So one thing to look under here, this was a Maisto, but as you can see, it says Barago, if you can see that. There we go. So it says Barago on the car in a Maisto box. It is the same company. So let's look around this. For the price you pay, you cannot get any more detail really for what I see for this price. And you can find these online anywhere from between under 50 bucks if you score a deal, such as if you go to Costco or Sam's Club, which is where I picked this up, or you can find these for resale on the market right around 50, maybe upwards of 60, maybe 70 bucks, depending on where you are looking. So reasonably priced, all under 100 bucks for sure. So let's look around this real quick. We'll start in the back. The way those exhausts come out is just crazy. Full carbon fiber diffuser. Those taillights do provide a lot of detail in them. They are kind of a hexagonal type of shape. They are supposed to resemble the Countach, from what my understanding is. Got nice side fins right here that are in carbon fiber. These are what are supposedly the spoiler. The 63 is the year that I believe Lamborghini was incorporated, from my understanding. So that's why they put this on this vehicle. One thing to note, this is not a Signature Series edition, but the car has writing on the wheels with P0 and the lines as well. So that is a certainly a good addition to this scale model. That is not a Signature Series edition. I don't know if you can see in there, but the rotors do spin through the calipers. So certainly cool additions that they have for this car itself. Nice little carbon fiber accents in the door panel. onto the front. Awesome daytime running lights. With carbon fiber inlay. Pretty sweet. The engine bay provides really good amount of detail, carbon fiber everywhere. With the gold engine cover, it is certainly a really good color scheme with the gold accents and the green car itself. If you can see inside, it is a super well detailed interior for this Maisto edition with a tan interior, black carbon fiber everywhere. Especially on the center dash and center console. With the branding, Lamborghini, we have the Sian on the door sill, as well as Sian on the center console bottom, if you can see that, if my camera can capture it. So certainly a nice addition. And the front, there really is no trunk. No frunk in this one. It's just a lot of plastic. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I have of this super fantastic Lamborghini Sian. If you are new to this channel, as I stated earlier, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And don't forget to smash that like button for this video if you liked it, if you found it helpful for you on your hunt for your diecast collection. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you next time.